welcome back. So yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you all my experiences, not my experience. This is my thing that I made at Wonder Bricks in Cam. It's like they're called jelly crystals, and I made green ones, and they look so gross. Like, oh, so yeah, that's that. I also made this money slime. It's green with glitter in it. This is actually store-bought slime, but I put little money in it, and now I call it my money slime. It's not really slime, it's more like putty. It doesn't really stretch that far, and it always has bubbles in it, so, this is stretchy, and I got, yeah, but it always has bubbles in it. What is that? Ugh, it's so dirty. Why is it so dirty? I don't know, but yeah, I put some money in it. As you can see, let me just take it out. I took it out. This is what I put 3 quarters in there and 1 dime. So I'm gonna flip it this way. Store-bought powder. David, go away. Put it back in. Close it. We also have this little squishy that came in this bag. That I ripped. It's like this cute little donut squishy. It's really nice. I'm gonna squish it and see if it's a slow rise. That is definitely not slow rise, but it is definitely stressful. So I give that one a thumbs up. You know, thumbs up. Thumbs up, give me baby a thumbs up. But this money slime is really annoying. I got it on my pet crab. It's like really bad. Let's see. Of course it's bad. I'm trying to get this in here. It's just not working. It's not working. Get it. There. I got it in nice and cute. You can see it from the top. Do you see that, you guys? Do you see it? I don't know if you can. Because, yeah, my camera is, like, really small, but it shows up on YouTube, like, really big. So this is, like, I'm going to mix this up. I decided to go with green because I thought that would be a really cool color. I also had purple in here, but the green, like, leaked through and made the purple greens. That's bad. I still have the Sharpie. Sharpie, Sharpie, Sharpie. Sharpie, Sharpie, Sharpie. Oh, I also have this squishy. It's like really bad though, like. David.
I want to see.
I'm recording.
This is not a squishy.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Open it.
Oh, yeah, I see it. This one's hard.
I know.
Hello! My name is Princess. Is her name called that?
Yeah. Oh, no, I don't know her name. I just call her that. Okay. let's see which one I have. I have Pirouetta, I think. Yeah, Pirouetta.
Do you like that?
No, I don't, but it's okay.
It's called strawberries.
Okay. Strawberries.
Strawberries, yeah. Here's her phone case.
What a phone case. What do you mean?
Oh, it's glass.
These have my... Oh, this has nothing in it.
This is a squishy.
Yeah, I forgot where I got this.
At Christmas. No, at
Yeah.
Easter.
This smells so
No,
good.
Easter. That's Easter.
This smells so good.
That's from Easter.
Oh, yeah. It smells so good. I'm gonna attach it to here. Perfect.
Okay, bye-bye. Gotta shake.
I need
Oh,
scissors.
man.
Are there scissors in here to remove?
That shop
Did you
is...
go get me scissors from the kitchen? Go get me scissors from the
At
kitchen.
this store is sure messy.
I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Oh, Logan's coming over, my brother's friend, so I might record that. That will be on a different video though, because yeah. And I might make another channel. I don't know, but yeah. And then I'll tell you if I do, and I'll tell you the name on it, so you can go check it out. Because you know, I'll just make a difference. Thank you, Pirouette. I think I need to show you guys like my life.
You can leave these scissors in here.
Okay. Get that out.
What is this? Sand? Why do we need sand?
You guys, this smells so good. It smells like oh my god, it smells so good. Like,
Oh yeah, there's like a little cut. Look, it goes on me.
It's okay. You want me to add sand to my slime?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Like a sand, okay.
Wait, you made these at our cousin's house, and I wanted to make these, but I didn't.
Yeah, okay. Let's make like a blue.
Oh, remember this? Oh, it's okay. Now she's like, I'm rainbows and slime sparkles.
Okay, perfect. So this is my slime. I'm gonna add the sand to it.
Oh, look at all the sand. Where do we start?
That's enough. Okay. I'm gonna mix that in and see how it turns out. Ooh, that feels so cool.
Can you feel it?
That feels so cool. Just poke it. Oh, that feels so cool. Okay, I'm gonna fold this. I'm gonna try to mix it in. Oh my gosh, that looks.
This is so cool.
Oh my gosh, let me take the money out of it.
Oh,
David, give me it. David, give me my slime.
Give me it. Give me my slime.
This will make it more like putty, which I want. I want like a putty slime to sell.
You can't sell slime.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell it at the art museum.
Can I sell my stuff?
Yeah.
Can I sell my T-Rex mask?
Yeah, if you want to.
I want to. No one's gonna get mine stuff, right?
Some people are gonna buy your stuff. I don't know.
Can I invite my friends?
Yeah. But they have to sign in and they have to pay $5.
Did your friends?
And they have to have adult supervision.
Why?
Because
No, there has to be security cameras.
yeah, that's what we're gonna put in there. I don't know. I'm making this like a putty. I don't know how I'm gonna make it like
Is it gonna be really big?
but it's gonna be
No, is it gonna be made out of cardboard?
no. Oh my god, dude, this looks so cool.
What?
Look at the blue in there. Look at it. Look at the blue.
I want
So
some.
cool. That is so dang cool.
Ew!
David, put that back. If you drop that, that will make a really big mess.
Ew, what is this?
Okay, let's put you down like that. Okay. This is so
This
cool.
jet is so... This jet? Man.
Don't touch that. Don't. It's kind of broken, so I don't want you touching it. It's the space shuttle orbiter. This is my space shuttle orbiter. Woo! Ah!
It's cold and... Mellow, kiddo, mellow, kiddo, mellow, mellow, kiddo, mellow. Yay!
This is so cool, you guys.
You really want me to put this on? Put it on.
I don't know. Do you want to? I put a lot of sand.
Yay! Good.
Whoa! Look how. I'm gonna poke it.
How do you make it?
It still pokes pretty well. Not gonna lie. But this is so cool. How when you stretch it, it just has that. It looks so cool. Oh my
What's this?
gosh. When I stretch it. Oh my god, that looks so cool. And it looks like glittery, like, it looks like really shimmery.
A cut.
If you squint your eye like this, like, go like this, and then look at this. Oh, it looks so cool. It looks so cool, you guys.
Alina. What happened?
I'm gonna put all of my sand on this.
Oh,
You guys
what
didn't
happened?
understand.
Was there slime in here?
Oh, no, there's no slime in there.
How? What is this?
That's a dog. That? What?
This.
That's a bubbles. Oh my god, this is popping. This is making a big mess, but it looks so cool. I can't hold anymore. This is so awesome, you guys. This looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
You got the mystery one, Alina.
No, David, that's not a mystery one. I made this. It says Alina and Sophie.
Hey, why'd you not write me?
I don't know. You never told me that you wanted to write your name in there. So, yeah, this is really cool.
Alina.
Look how cool this looks, David.
I want to squish it.
It feels so cool.
Ew.
I'm going to try to make a poop with it. This is like a really small amount of slime. This is what it looks like. If I can get it to focus. Focus. Here, let me move the stuff in the background. Focus. It's not focusing, but you can see it looks really cool and awesome. And like you can see also a little bit of sand. But yeah. So I think that looks really cool. Comments down below. But this is really an epic slime, I think. I think it's so cool.